Hey y'all, it's Terry, and we are about to embark on something fun. You're about to see the footage from the beginning of a fifth wheel camper makeover. I don't know what else to call it, but I'm gonna give you a walkthrough from the outside and as much as I can of the inside, and I'll sort of talk you through that, but you'll see that we have to have new flooring. We're gonna put in new furniture. We're gonna have to replace some of the wood. There's all kinds of work that needs to be done on here. And this is definitely gonna be a do it in our spare time project. So I hope you'll follow along. We'll video each part. And if you're working on a camper too, or would like to, make sure and share that info with me. And at this point, we haven't even decided what we're gonna do with it. If we're gonna redo it just like a camper like it is already, or maybe make it like a mobile tailgate party thing for football, for the mobile man cave there, or should I make it like a scrapbooking hut, a little hen house? Whatever we do, it's gonna be fun. That I can promise you. So I hope you'll follow along and join us, and here we go. This is a 2007 Keystone Laredo. It's been out behind my husband's barn for several years. We actually used to camp in it. We bought it in North Carolina while we were gone to a NASCAR shoot-off race thing of some sort, and used it and had a good time with it, but then we just didn't have time anymore, and it sat up behind the barn for years, and we have animal food down there and all those things, so we ended up with raccoons getting in here and everything else. Look at these dirt daubers. Isn't that terrible? There's definitely been some water damage on the inside. We had it stored a lot of the time with the slide open, because we had power down there and water down there and everything, and I believe we had an actual water leak from the inside that got repaired as part of that damage. Right now the slide's closed, so it's a little bit tight showing you this, but I just wanted to show you the actual most damaged parts, the things that we're thinking we may be able to save. Definitely that carpet is disgusting. It's gonna go. I'm looking forward to doing something different with the bedroom back there. And I may leave the microwave and take out the stove. I'm not sure. I never used the stove, but I know I want to put a residential refrigerator in instead of the small refrigerator. That's the shower, which I couldn't get to, in the bathroom there on the left, but you can see the sink there to the right. And the cabinet doors, we just have kind of all that open because we've had it back here just sort of airing out while we're getting ready to get prepped to start on everything. One thing I do know for sure is my husband always hated the jackknife sofa, and I've always hated a dinette, booth dinette. So I know that both of those are going to be going out, whether we replace it with recliners, just TV stuff or what. I don't know. See here the wallpaper stuff border peeling off, and this what looked like wood and wasn't. Apparently that's peeling off. And you can see there's some water damage here above the door. So we really do have our work cut out for us as far as getting it all cleaned up and ready to rip everything out of it and then decide what we're gonna do to make it fun and usable again. If it was up to me and it ends up being a hen house, I'll be painting some flowers on the outside too. But this thing half belongs to my husband, so it may end up being a tailgating wagon. We shall see. I hope you enjoyed that, and make sure and click the subscribe button and watch for these videos each week. This is, like I said, in our spare time project. We're just gonna have a good bit of fun with it and share with you the techniques that we're able to use and some of the things we're not able to use because of it being mobile. I won't want to put all these beautiful tiles, but you have to make sure you have a flexible grout and sealant and all those kind of things. So we're going to work with that. I'll share every bit of info that we have, and I hope to see you in the next video.